Hi guys, today's video is about how to set up a tarp beside your truck or SUV. My truck is a Suzuki D-Max. If you have a different truck or SUV, the setup is gonna similar. Okay, tools I use. A 3x3 meter tarps with attach point. Mine have 19 attach points, just like the DD tarp. Telescopic poles, 3 pieces. Mine can extend up to 2.3 meters. Guide line with tensioners, 3 pieces, 4 meters length each. Packs, 3 pieces. A mallet, heavy duty suction cup with lock, 3 pieces. And carabiner, 3 pieces. Before we get started, make sure the car roof surface is clean. Then we lay it flat on the ground. Personally, I like to keep the ridge line 90 degrees away from the car. Step 1. Carabiner and the suction cup. Grab the heavy duty suction cup and place it on the car roof. You can do this by standing on the steps. Wet the carabiner with just a little bit of water. Press on the center and then lock. Then grab a carabiner to connect one corner of the tarp and clip on it. Then we pull the fly sheet to find the best spot for the suction cup. As usual, we put just a little bit of water, press on the center, lock it, and grab the carabiner together with the attach point. Okay, step 2, guide line and pack. Now we need to attach the guide line for the other side of the tarp. I like to use my favorite bowline knot, but any knot is fine. We do the same thing for the other 2 attach points. Grab your mallet and a pack and put it in your pocket for easy access later. We start at the middle attach point first. Insert the tip of the pole in the middle attach point and lift up. Adjust the pole to have the same height of your car. Slightly higher is okay. While the pole is still standing, we walk 5 steps away, vertically 90 degrees away from the car. Step on the guide line to keep it from falling. Walk 4 steps away from the top, 45 degrees. Okay, last step, adjustment. We can adjust the pack location if you want. To adjust this a little bit lower. If you are satisfied with the setup, you can just hammer all the way down the pack. Okay, a few things about making the adjustment. What we want for the guide line is the guitar strength. And I want to able to open my door freely without any obstruction. So if you look from from the top, you can see there's a slight slope. So in case it's raining, the rainwater can flow away and it won't form a big pool of water on top of the tarp. So if it's raining, water will flow from top to the lower area. And one more thing is, if there's a strong wind, be prepared to pack away your fly sheets before it become a sail. Speaking of packing away the tarp, let me show you a quick and easy way to fold your tarp alone quickly and easily. First of all, lay down the tarp flat on the ground. Take a knee at the very center here. Okay, there's 3 attach points. We need to grab the center one and left and right each side. So first of all, one hand grab this attach point. Another hand grab, and use one hand to grab both sides together, and another hand grab the center point. This is the center attach point, and then okay, now you can fold to even smaller. That's all about it for today, and thank you guys for watching, and I will put down the cost for each accessories that I purchased in the description area. So that's all. So until next time, see you guys.